That's right, boys. You hear them bald eagles? So what's going on today, guys? I haven't ridden this bike in like 3 months. I had a surgery on my ACL a couple months ago. Yeah, man, I really need to clear this baby out. And this is where I do it. Still has this old McCuney carbon here, but I made some changes to it, and this bike runs strong. The only thing is, you gotta always clear this bike out. After a little bit of cruising, it gets all gunked up, and then I gotta clear it out. So today I'm going to be giving this baby some love. It has been sitting for months, like I said, and it's finally got over 620 kilometers on the bike. So it's time to do a transmission oil change and a few other things. She rips, that's for sure. So I promise we'll get to work soon, you guys. It's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit out here, so I'm not gonna be chilling that long, but I love this view. I love this hill. I come out here and just rip wheelies sometimes, or at least try to. It's funny, I get some people asking me if I'm Italian because the channel has the Italian flag colors. But they're also the Mexican flag colors, and I am a gringo living here in Mexico, but I am originally from Virginia. So much love to any of you guys from VA. But I think it's time to get this baby back. All I really wanted to do was warm up the transmission oil before I change it. Turned into goofing around a little bit. Oh man, what a joy it is to ride this bike. Whew. If you guys don't know, this beast right here took me 9 months to build, and it was worth every freaking hour. Two-stroke Supermoto is definitely wild as fuck, but there's nothing like it. Whew. Man, I can't believe it. This bike runs so good now. It actually feels like it has more horsepower, but definitely the gear shifting is silky smooth now compared to before. So I'll definitely be keeping up with my oil changes from now on. That seems to make a big difference in the performance of the bike. Man, it felt so good to ride this bike again, and I have some really exciting news for it. I'm gonna be installing this key switch ignition, and I'm gonna be putting a high output stator on the bike so that I can run a full turn signal and light setup, and eventually I'll put a fan on the radiator as well. But here it is, guys. This week I should be getting the new Electron carburetor. So check it out. This is it right here. Super sick. I can't wait to put it on this bike. And I think it's gonna work awesome for this Supermoto. I'm going to be doing a full video series on this carburetor. So we're gonna be installing it. Then I'm gonna be testing it, getting a new top speed on this bike with the new carburetor. We're also gonna be doing some long rides with the bike. That's why I'm upgrading the light system and the cooling system, and I might even get a larger fuel tank. So we're gonna take this bike up into a lot of elevation change and see how the carburetor handles that, along with cruising on the highway and just in general using it on a Supermoto for daily use. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, and make sure you're subscribed. We're gonna be working on the YZ450 Supermoto build next, and I'll keep on brapping.